Agent Tunison. Report to Topside Tactical Operations Center.
Hey,
It's happening!
cut it out.
What the hell is going on up there?
My horoscope was correct.
Did someone pull the fire alarm or something?
Come on, Gordon. What are you trying to do? Get me into trouble?
Murtaugh, come in.
Yeah, I'm here.
What the hell's going on up there?
We had a little accident up here, sorry.
Yeah, well, that better be the last accident you have today. Understood?
Copy. Damn, Gordon. I've about had it up to here. Are you trying to get my supervisor down here?
Maybe he could fix the computer.
For crying out loud, Gordon, knock it off. Oh, come on. Buddy, you don't want me to write you up.
Try hitting Control-Alt-Delete.
Quit looking over my shoulder, you're making me uncomfortable. Congratulations. You just made the top of my shit list.
What are you doing still running around up here? My God, what are you doing?